going to do in this case with the chlorate is I'm going to add the heat. That's why we have a butane torch.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take the sugar. Nope. Sugar goes in last. These are really old Skittles. I don't even know if they make
They don't make
I was going to say, I don't think they make this kind.
And you can sell those online.
Oh, those are crazy colors.
No, they're the smoothie mix ones, which were really tasty. I mean, these are at least 4 years old because I remember having them for one of my diabetic students.
Nice.
And that was 4 or 5 years ago. All right, what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to put the heat in with this butane torch. Handy dandy butane torch. Who doesn't have a handy dandy butane torch in their pocket?
Thank you.
Another thing I don't like is this little butane torch igniter that I've got leaks, so I can smell the gas coming off. I know, it's awful.
Talk about safety.
I know, it's awful.
You can always find out where it is when you turn it on to the lighter or
So I'm going to make this molten. And then once it's melted, again, Pyrex tubes are the savior.
Are you not going to take that?
See, but we've busted a couple of those in this
I know
lab.
my morning class said the same thing. They were like, Dr. Brennan, we busted some Pyrex. This took forever this morning because it was cold outside and we were outside for this step. But essentially I'm going to take this solid and I'm going to melt it. That's what I'm doing.
I'm videotaping.
It's still taking a long time.
So why isn't it kind of brown like it
Because it's melting. It's not cooking. So it's not actually reacting
It's like the
in the same way.
like Tennessee.
All right, so do you see how it's melted?
Get stuff while you're there. You just like Ukraine.
What I'm going to do now,
All the time. I would spend all my time in Germany.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's up there. That beast there, right there.
You can drop another Skittle in there?
that's one Skittle.
Do another one?
Not now.
Oh my God.
It's not done.
No, this one is fine. I mean, there's more chlorate in the bottom, but I think it's done.
Do it. Drop another Skittle in there.
Same reaction. Oh, this thing. But this time I put the heat in, so it was hot enough that as soon as I put the sugar in, you had a violent reaction. Same products. So we still have that white powder is KCl, right? We still had some nasty gases coming off, ACl and Cl2, and you could see that a little bit better this time. And you could still see that purplish tinge to the flame. That was the potassium showing you its flame test. How cool is that? I mean, how many pieces did we just put together just by doing some explosive demonstrations? Right? We saw metal color. We talked about gases expanding. We talked about heat transfer, right? The light spectrum. I got one more reaction.
Is that-
Chlorate's the coolest one. I think everyone likes chlorate the best. This one is typically the one I just did where you molten the chlorate. They usually throw a gummy bear in because they call it the dancing gummy bear. Because the gummy bear just bounces on top of the chlorate until it's gone. I'm kind of glad I used Skittles. Originally I used M&Ms and it's not as violent a reaction because once you get past the candy coating of the M&M,
It's just chocolate.
the chocolate doesn't have as easily combust combusted fuels in it as the Skittle itself. So, okay. The last demo I like to show mainly because people don't think about this. It's a water-sensitive reaction, and it doesn't catch on fire. So that's the one disappointing factor of this reaction is